Namaste everyone.
Welcome back to our channel,
The Sanskari Siblings.
If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. The video is a boy-oriented video, girl-oriented video, boy, girl, boy, girl. Okay.
ఏం చెప్తావు నీకే అర్థమవుతుందా?
ఇవాళ వీడియో ఏంటంటే my brother answers questions which girls are too afraid to ask. So, మేమిద్దరం అన్నీ మాట్లాడుకుంటాం. We don't have some things like oh my gosh, I can't tell to my brother. I tell everything to him. వాడు నాకు అన్నీ చెప్తాడు. So we are quite open. So with no further blabber, let's just get into the
వీడియో.
ఓకే, నేను నా ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ పోల్లో పెట్టాను క్వశ్చన్. సో అక్కడ అడిగింది ప్లస్ నేను కూడా కొన్ని యాడ్ చేశాను. సో యూ రెడీ ఫర్ ఇట్? Question number 1. So the first question is, what do you notice first about a girl in a girl? No, ఒక అమ్మాయి చూస్తే ఫస్ట్ ఏంటి నోటీస్ చేస్తా?
Of course, her face will be the first thing I notice, right? It is but natural. When a person meets you, not only a girl, anyone, the first thing you notice is face, the features, and the second thing is apparently how you talk. Based on that, I myself
So any particular thing, like maybe something in particular?
I feel eye contact is the thing because when you're confident about yourself, there's nothing. When you don't have any wrong intentions, there's nothing wrong to maintain eye contact.
Cool.
So I believe that's the thing. Maintaining eye
So
contact.
eye contact plan.
Yeah, eye to eye contact मतलब eye to eye song वाला नहीं है.
So the next one is, how do you feel walking around with a girl when she's looking extra good and guys are staring at her? Ante oka ammayi
Okay, this generally happens to me because she's there whenever I go. Wherever I take her, guys look at her. So what is there? It's but natural. I've been
So
taking.
you feel jealous, like you feel bad, you feel like beating, or you feel like okay fine chalta hai, like
It is. See, what I believe when there's something great out there, everyone tends to see it. It's compliment. When someone is seeing you, it means you're good. You're looking good.
but it's not justifying that they seeing
It
is
is.
good, like
It's their mentality that I don't justify it. It's just how I take it.
cool. The next one is చాలా అడిగింది ఏంటంటే, does color and physique matter?
No, not at all. No, it doesn't never matter. Maybe in whichever sense it doesn't matter. It's truly about the person, the character of the person, how he or she behaves, what is the true nature, what is the energy she carries.
So it's like
More about the aura that person holds, not about the physique or anything.
okay, cool. He's answering it good. Proud of you. He's really like a sweet guy, like a sweet guy.
I'm sweet.
Okay, so do boys screenshot chats and send to each other like girls do? You know, most of the girls.
It's not as high as a girl does, but I won't say they don't do. It's like they do, but the thing is, it's very silly things. It's not like you girls are about they discuss
For
about a
example.
fight or something. It's more like when we discuss about some movie, some special scene, or we want to fight in
Like
general.
girls, like in a normal guy, and if any guy says like he likes us, then what we do is like full proofs. We send them and
It's not like us. We rarely do screenshot. We generally type them. "Mare video la annada vaada." It's more of that. And matlab, see, a guy never gets messages from girls like that. So it is meaningless of us to take screenshots. So that's not an option here. If we do take some screenshots, it's like just to remember some stuff. Because later when we went usko chidana hai, to we need that screenshot.
So more of fun.
For fun, yeah, that's it.
Cool. Okay. So the next one is, do guys get butterflies in your stomach when you see the girl?
You see the girl.
Like it can be even
Actually,
if you like butterflies.
I don't believe in the so-called butterflies in your stomach. मतलब it's not movies यार. ऊपर से बारिश गिरेगा, you will get a thunder in the background, flowers will start. What bullshit यार. It's not a Shah Rukh Khan movie or where Shah Rukh Khan sees Kajal and palat she will palat. It's not that यार.
Shah Rukh Khan doesn't try to palat.
There is one movie. तू मुझसे प्यार करेगी तो पलटेगी. So I mean, everyone has their own beliefs. What I feel is that's not true. When you find someone, it's not like you'll get butterflies. What is butterflies in your stomach mean?
It's
Yeah?
like, you know, this uncomfortable.
Yeah, you're getting some loose motion, but you're not having proper food. Please.
No. Get out of me! So this is like super ass, okay? What do boys talk with each other?
What do boys talk with each other?
Yeah, normally in phone, if they're or in chat. What do you
It
talk?
is nothing. Absolutely nothing. Some rubbish nonsense. Whatever we catch, we talk about it.
You don't talk like I don't know.
We see, we boys have something. We don't dwell in the past. We don't think about the future. We live in the moment.
Oh, girls even do that, but we talk.
We are way better than girls, to believe me in that. Because when a group of boys, like me and my friends, meet outside, we generally don't talk about we are doing that, we are settled here, we do this, that. We are just
all
in the
rubbish
moment.
talk.
It's all for fun. We tease each other, we pull each other's
It's
legs.
rubbish, boys.
It's not rubbish, it's a way of fun. We are not like girls. Oh, that guy, that guy I met this time, this girl I met that
Girls
time.
don't do that all the
Yeah,
time.
yeah,
We
please,
just
I know,
discuss
yeah.
everything possible.
No, we don't discuss that.
Spill the
We
tea.
live in that moment.
The next one is, why do guys behave as if they're like kind of camera shy when we tell pictures? They're like, no.
Yeah,
just
guys,
do it."
I don't tell everyone, but I can say majority, at least 60% of guys are camera shy. And even I am very much camera shy. Ask her, I don't really take photos. I rarely do.
When I ask him to take picture, Anna, photo didn't
We guys are camera shy. The reason for it, even I don't know properly. But the thing is, when we boys generally go out, we never take a pic out of it. That's very rare. Have you seen a group of boys going out? There'll be one group pic or something like that, but it's not like a photo shoot or something.
Yeah, true.
That the thing is, it's in the gender. That
There are
would
very few boys who are
Yeah.
interested.
It's in the gender. That's it.
It's the
And especially if it is to take a pic with a girl, that's next level of
Cringe for you.
cringe. It's not cringe. The enormous pressure to fit into that frame
My God.
properly. That's too much.
so every angle matters then.
Yeah.
This is super. Now let's just get into the deep shit
Oh,
deep
shit.
stuff. Okay. So the next one is, do guys prefer successful independent women or like cute dependent ones? Or smart. It's like basically like,
I
are you
understand.
attracted to intelligent girls?
It's I would say it's a personal choice. It depends on the person.
Which majority? Like what?
We
do you
just
think?
can't say about its majority. It depends on various
So
factors.
what do you think?
I don't have a difference like that, probably speaking. I would
So it's okay if she's very smart.
see.
then
One thing I believe is no one is dumb in this planet.
Yeah, definitely.
Everyone is smart in their own way. It's just that which type of smartness attracts a person. Some type of person likes one type of smartness, the other one likes the other. So it's on your the person. It's not. And I believe not in a girl or a boy, everyone must be independent in their life.
That's so true. That's so true.
You
Irrespective
must.
of the gender.
It's not gender oriented. Why should a boy be independent or why should a girl be independent?
That's
And
so
matter
true.
of fact, I believe when at a certain age, when a relation of a marriage or something, it's not that the whole thing is on a guy or
It's
the
not
whole
the
thing
boy
is on a
oriented.
girl.
Yeah.
It must be mutual, and
That's-
I believe that's very important.
Super cool, man. Okay, chew, come on. This one is so weird. Okay.
Weird.
Yeah.
Now I'm getting scared.
Do guys find other guys attractive even if they're straight? Even though they're like, okay, let me explain.
I understand the question. It's
Yeah.
I would say it's not. We don't find him attractive or
Like
anything.
if we see a girl who looks good,
Yeah, I
we're
understand.
like, oh my god, she's so beautiful.
Yeah, we don't do that thing. We don't do that thing. It's like हमारे सामने Hrithik Roshan भी आते हैं. It's like okay, it's a guy. We don't have that feeling. Maybe sometimes some people might get jealous of the
good
muzzle.
looks, yeah.
Not the good looks. Boys don't look about the
Body.
good. It's about the body. The way it's more about the guys get jealous when he has a good bike and we don't. When he has a good car and we don't.
It's materialistic.
It's materialistic with boys. Yeah, that's the thing. We don't care about how he looks.
That's super weird, no? This question I felt was so into Vintaga.
And if you probably see, what I feel is when you take a group of boys around, you can see a fit guy, you can see a fat guy, you can see an intelligent person, you can see a dumb person, you can see variety of people in one group of boys. But I don't find that to be in girls.
It happens, but it's
I don't. It's not so common like in
Yeah.
boys. If it's a girls group, it's like a particular batch. You
Yeah,
can
happens.
tell it.
not generalizing, but happens.
But it happens
I-
in general.
Next one is, how do guys feel about body hair? Like if she shaves, does it matter? If she doesn't, is it necessary? Like, what do you think about that?
I've never. We don't discuss this shit with boys.
This is super weird to know.
But Matlab, it,
Like,
see,
you
let's
know-
be frank. Around 80% of the women or girls right now, they do the bodyscaping thing
Yeah.
better than a boy, because boys,
Even nowadays, men are into
more, men are recently into it,
Yeah.
but women are from long.
I believe it's because, from the start, the society
Yep,
made
that's
it.
the thing. Yeah, so whenever you meet a girl, around, I can say, if you meet 100 girls in your life, at least 95% of them or 95 girls in them are scaped properly.
Yeah.
So the matter is with the rest of the five. So when you're interacting with so many people in your life, I don't think such a small thing as whether she has a body hair or those things don't.
It's actually so normal, yeah. Everyone has it, yeah. We jump into the next question. This is super, super important and great question. Is do guys get gross about periods?
Gross, no?
Gross, like,
Matlab,
oh my gosh.
I can say from the people I know, I just can't generalize about each and every
Yeah.
boy, but
Like,
at
in
least.
general, what do you feel with
but-
your friends?
But at least with the group of friends or boys I know, there's nothing being gross about period. It's natural biology of a woman.
Yeah, but
It is, I believe it is the only reason why a human race is still alive.
yeah, definitely. But you I guess you definitely.
See, the
know
thing,
that
let me be
people-
frank. My group of friends are mostly from biology background, so we
Uh-huh.
understand periods and all those things.
But in general,
In general also, I can tell that this generation at least, they don't feel about periods the way as it is a sin or it's a mistake
So
or something to
but
shun away
even
from.
this time,
There
are
is,
people
yeah.
who
I
seek
can
jump.
say at least 80% of the guys know what is periods. You know what to do when someone, a girl, a friend, or whoever it is in periods. It's basics of it.
And there's nothing to
And
just
it's
shy
good.
away.
And it is good that
You can share with your brother, with your father. It's not a big deal. Girls, you should not be afraid. That's the point we want to bring
Actually,
out. That all
it's-
these questions, you should not be afraid to ask.
It is a part or it's a biology. That's it.
Yeah.
It's nothing else.
So true. I totally agree with that. The last question is, what are your thoughts on a girl having boy best friend?
Best friends, or in fact friends. See, I'm an introvert. I'm openly telling you. The circle of friends I have is limited. I have at least 5 friends. That's
Yeah.
it in my whole life.
He and I are opposites.
Out of these 5 friends, 3 of them are girls and 2 of them are boys.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not that a girl best friend or a boy best. I don't believe there's something like a girl
No,
best friend or a
it's
boy
like-
best
no,
friend.
It's like if you have a girlfriend and that girlfriend has a boy best friend, what are your thoughts? Because this generation is like, oh my god, boy
No,
best
this
friend.
not, see, if the case is that a person has a girlfriend and she has a boy best friend,
Uh-huh.
when that guy doesn't believe in her about the relationship, why is he in a relationship? That's my question.
Exactly, that's the problem.
When you just can't believe in the girl that she's towards you, why do you want to be in a relationship? It
So it's
doesn't.
not a problem.
It's not a problem. Why must be it a problem? It's a
And I
best
see
friend.
told like it's not like girl best friend.
There's
boy
nothing
best
called a
friend.
girl best friend. It's
So
best
true.
friend.
It's just a connection.
Best friends are people who are with you in your toughest times.
Mm-hmm.
Not all friends are best friends. I may have at least 100 friends, but none of them are my best friends. So best friends are people who stay with you through thick and thin. मतलब खुशी के समय में ना रहे भी ठीक है, but they'll be in your toughest times with you. I know the answers have been a bit diplomatic. I
But
won't
that
say-
is the way he is actually like
It's
that.
not diplomatic. Those are my take on these topics.
Uh-huh.
As simple as that.
Like there are two kinds. You can either be funny and talk, but he really let his heart out and spoke, and I'm super proud of him. Yeah, and one thing what we actually want to bring out of this video doing this is, please don't be afraid to talk with your boy besties or any male
Your
person,
father, brother, whoever it is.
anyone. It's totally fine. It's totally cool to talk. It's okay. It's nothing to be afraid.
Let's be frank, guys. The number of mean comments a girl gets in her Instagram or Facebook is nothing compared. Boy gets a 0, but I can returnly give you a girl gets at least 100 per day.
So
We
true.
don't even face 1% of what they are facing in this world.
And if you speak, they understand. If I tell him anything, he understands because it's my brother.
It's common. It must happen like that.
Every person knows it. It's just that you need to open up and share, and they'll definitely understand. So this is why we wanted to make this video. It was
Be
super
positive,
fun.
guys. Be positive. That's what I'm going to tell you.
And it was
Positivity.
super nice to make this.
Yeah, it was actually good. So I'm thinking next time I'll ask you. Next video will be me asking my sister questions boys are afraid to ask.
If you want that,
Actually, there won't be any questions like that because girls are shy when coming to boys. Boys are like sigbilagan adi astam.
but not really.
Really? Yes.
No.
At least maybe not these many questions will be there. At least I'll get maximum
But the
3
questions
questions.
are very tricky because
It's not
a-
like the
If
questions
you
are not
want-
tricky. I'll tell you what. The answer a girl gives to those questions is tricky.
Okay, if you want that video, put a red heart in the comment section or let us know that you want a part 2 of it.
Yep. Yeah.
Then we'll definitely do
But I don't
it.
know. Somehow it feels good discussing these things.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel as awkward as it should.
Because you're not awkward. Okay, guys.
So that's it for this video, guys.
Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy watching this and felt better, don't forget to like,
Share.
subscribe,
Ganti bajana mat bhulo.
and comment down what you want next. So let's just meet in the next video.
Bye.